This is us having a little dog walking explore in Wendover Woods. It's been quite lovely. I walked up to the top, which is the highest point in the Chilterns, I'm told. Just had some lovely ice cream cones. I had the chocolate chip. Or did I? No, tell a lie. I had the pistachio. Accuracy is all important. So we're now heading back down, get in the car, drive back to Aylesbury, have a bit of a freshen up, and then we've got guests for dinner at Joe and Duncan's pad, all in preparation for Cam's 18th birthday party tomorrow in the marquee with the silent disco headgear and all that. Should be fun.